Welcome back. We are showing how we're growing all of this wheatgrass or fodder just in our little basement setup here. We usually have a few of these going to feed our chickens, especially in the winter time. They love to get a hold of all these roots. These ones are starting to brown on us a little bit there because they've been in there quite some time. They're getting pretty tall. We should have probably taken these out a few days ago, but we wanted to show the process. We wanted to show all three stages. This is about the midpoint here. All of our wheat berries have very good roots on them, and those are going to start to come up and they will look like this in a few days. These are our wheat berries. We had grown these ourselves. This is a red hard wheat. You can use this with many other grains and grasses. This works very well. We use our black oil sunflower seeds in the same manner. We had just pulled this out. That is awesome. This is very, very efficient. We can turn a quarter of a cup of wheat berries into a whole bucket of grass. We can multiply the nutrients and the savings all in one here. So as this begins to sprout here, this becomes more and more nutritious. This is the most nutritious part of the plant, eating all of the roots and the fresh sprouts. That's why all of the animals always graze the fresh sprout and supplement nutrients they might not be getting in the winter time when they normally are eating bugs and worms and all that types of stuff. So this is one method that we are using to supplement our feed and cut our bill in half or better. We are not spending much. We only have about 9 birds, so it doesn't take very much to rotate all of these buckets. We usually have about 9 of them going in line under our lights, and we found this method to be pretty fail-proof. The only issue we ever find is you can see how soggy those roots are, but because I had these in here too long, these are ready to go. These are gonna go get fed to the chickens. If anybody has any questions on what we're doing here or how we're achieving all this fodder or wheatgrass, drop your comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna go feed this to the chicken.